Hi, my name is Jayla Marks with JK Fitness. Welcome to Exercising for Beginners, where we discuss and demonstrate workouts and stretches. Hey guys, welcome back to Exercising for Beginners, and today we will be working on the treadmill. The treadmill is a great cardio workout. It helps you sleep well and boost your energy. It also helps decrease the risk of heart disease, diabetes, and other chronic diseases. Each treadmill is made differently, but all of them should offer settings to adjust the intensity of your workout. You can add hills, peaks, and break intervals. Take your time, listen to your body, and have fun. Great workout, you guys. Here are 3 tips to remember when using a treadmill. Tip 1. When you are ready to wrap up your workout, you can choose the cool down option on your treadmill. If your machine does not offer that option, you can just reduce your speed down to a walking pace. For safety reasons, don't just turn the machine off. Tip 2. To correctly dismount off the treadmill, you should 1. Decrease your speed, 2. Grab the handles, and 3. Place both feet on the safety grills. Tip 3. The treadmill is self-paced, meaning you can go as fast or as slow as you want. You can also go as long as you want, but just pace yourself and listen to your body. My name is Jayla Marks with JK Fitness. Thank you for working out with us. Make sure you subscribe down below and stay tuned for live updates for everything fitness.